Hello, welcome to Market Strategy Hub. In this episode, I'll show you how I made 13% return in just 13 trading days from Tata Power doing swing trading. So, this is chart. This is Tata Power 1 day time frame chart. Okay, let me remove this one. Remove this one and this one too. Okay, let me clear out this one. Actually, I entered from this level, and why I entered from this level is I'm going to show you. See, there's a huge expansion from this level. Why I choose this level is let me go to 1 week time frame. This is 1 week time frame chart. See, market retests this zone again, the previous resistance zone 414 level. So it came down, took support, went up to around 290 level and broke this level. So I was expecting market to give reaction first to this level. Let me bring out this level. It tried to take support at this level first, but it broke again. So I was expecting market to give reaction to this zone. Why? Because this is the previous support zone. Market came down here and there is a big expansion here. So market took support, came pull back, took support at this level. So I was expecting market to take support at this zone. At this zone. So it came down and there is a huge expansion at this zone. So I went to lower time frame. That is, I went to 1 day time frame. So I was waiting for the market to react to my zone. So it did reacted to this zone. So there is a triple green bullish candle. So buyer came in, but I am not so sure whether it's a pullback or buyer. So it did, buyer came in and there's a pullback here. So market pullback and broke this previous resistance zone. This is the resistance zone. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it resisted at this zone. So it did pull back and broke this resistance zone. Now I'm a bit confident that buyer came in, so I was waiting for a pullback. So it came down to previous support zone. It came down and there is a big bullish candle. So I got the confirmation that buyer came in. So what I did was I went to lower time frame. That is 1 hour time frame for my entry. Yes, this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, after this green candle, this bullish green candle, I made my entry. So what I did was I go for long. Go go further from this level. Let me go to 1 day time frame. My target is this level, previous resistance zone level. My first target is this level, around 393. Let me turn this red. 393 level. So it see, this is my entry at 366 level. I did enter at 366 level. My stop loss is at 60. That is 6 point risks, 6 point. And my initial target is this level, 393 level. But it broke this level. There is a huge bullish candle, but I didn't exit this level because there is momentum here, so it did pull back. I was expecting market to go further up. Why? Because there is a small order block here, order block or whatever. It did came down, reacted to this zone and went up again, so did hit my target at 415. I exited, so my risk reward is 6 point risk and 49 points profit, so it almost 1:10. So this is how I made my entry and exit at Tata Power. So in this trading I captured 49 point, that is 13 days, 13 trading days, 13% return. So I hope you'll enjoy my video and thank you for watching.